Hello, class 11th student. Today again I am going to start chapter 10. Topic is measure of central tendency, median and mode. This is part 5th. In this video I am going to discuss about partitional value that is given in the chapter median and mode. Okay? What is partitional value? The partitional value is a value that divide a series more than two parts. When we divide a series more than two parts, so this value is known as a partitional value. So there are three things we have to learn. Quartile. What is quartile? The quartile divides a series into four parts. Okay, and there are three quartiles in the series. Yani ki Q is going to divide the series into four parts. Okay, and total how many quartile we are going to calculate? We calculate three quartiles, yani Q1, Q2 and Q3. Remember, this Q2 is going to stand for median. Okay, here is written Q2 is the median of the value. Okay, first quartile and lower quartile is going to have 25% of the item. Okay, second yani ki median, that is going to 50% of the item, and third 75%. Okay, now so thus Q1 and Q3 denote the two limits which having central yani 50% of the lies. So here you can see it. Now next is decile. Decile is going to divide into 10 equal parts. Okay, and we calculate how much? D9. The 9 deciles are calculated. D5 is going to denote median. Okay, now come to the percentile. The percentile divide into 100 parts. Total we calculate 99 percentile. P50 is going to be median of the series. Okay, so in this way, partitional value, in partitional value we are going to learn three things: quartile, decile and percentile. Quartile divide into four parts, decile divide into 10 part and percentile divide into 4 parts. In quartile we calculate Q1 and Q3. In decile we calculate from D1 to D9, and in percentile we calculate from P1 to P100. Okay student, now here we are going to understand calculation of partitional value in individual, discrete and continuous series. But in today's video just we are going to discuss individual series. Okay. Now computation of the partitional value in individual series. So first thing, कि individual series is a series there is no frequency. Okay, and first thing that you have to keep in mind, first and second thing, you have to arrange value in ascending order, and after that use the following formula. What are the formula? So in case of Q1 n plus 1 upon 4, and in Q3 n plus 1 upon 4, in outside it become 3. D1, so n plus 1 upon 10, D3 n plus 1 upon 10, D4 4 n plus 1 upon 10, D7. So in this way if you are going to calculate D9, so it become 9 n plus 1 upon 10. Okay, decile divide into 10 parts now, so that is why we are going to divide from the value 10. Okay, now percentile, so it divide 100, so P1 n plus 1 upon 100, P40, so 40 we will write the outside and same will be the P65, to 65 n plus 1 upon 100, P75 n plus 1 upon 100 outside. Suppose we have to calculate P99, so it will be 99 n plus 1 upon 100. Okay, if you are going to calculate P80, so it will be 80, okay, and n plus 1 upon 100. So जो भी नंबर कैलकुलेट करना है वो इस साइड आ जाएगा और बाकी n plus 1 upon 100 रहेगा. Okay student, now if we are going to calculate in individual series, so in case of quartile, so this is the equation already we had discussed. So quartile divided into 4 parts, so this is why n plus 1 upon 2 we will write. Decile divide 10 parts, that is why we will write n plus 1 upon 10, and in percentile we write n plus 1 upon 100. Okay, So these are the equation you have to keep in your mind, okay, for the percentile. Now there is the question, you have to calculate Q1, Q3, D4, P60, P90 with the help of the following data. So first of all we are going to arrange into ascending order. So it is 1, 2, then 3, 4, 6, 7 not given, 8, 9, 11, 12. So there are how many value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will be the value of n? 9. Okay student. So here you can see we are going to write serial number, so n is equal to 9, and we are going to arrange all the value in ascending order. Now we are going to calculate Q1. So Q1 quartile divided into 4 parts, so that is why we are going to divide n plus 1 upon 4. So it will be 9 plus 1 upon 4, yani 10 upon 4. So when we divide, how much we are going to get? 10 upon 4. So it we get 10 when we divide 2.5. How much we get? We get 2.5. okay, so 2.5 means we are going to add these two value and divide by the 2. We have to get the average of these two. So yani 2 plus 3 upon 2, yani 5 upon 2. No, sorry, I had done mistake here. Second, size of the second item and size of the third item. So second item and third item, okay. So here you can see, yes, here you can see कि n plus 1 upon 2, तो 2.5, the size of the second item and size of the third item. The size of the second item is 2, sorry, size of the second item is 2, size of the third item 3. So it will be 2 plus 3 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 yani ki 2.5. So this is the value of Q1, 2.5. Okay student. Here you can see it is calculated. Take the average of the second item and the third item. Now Q3. When I am going to calculate Q3, so Q3 we will write first the equation n plus 1 upon 4 because quartile divided into 4 part. Now 3, तो यहाँ outside there will be 3. So 3 n plus 1 already we had done. 10 plus 4. So 10 plus 4 is 2.5. So it become 3 multiply 2.5. यानी कि it is the value. Okay. $7.5. So 7.5 मतलब size of 7th item and size of 8th item. Okay. So 9 plus 11 upon 2. तो it become 20 upon 2 यानी कि 10. Q3 become 10. Okay. Here you can see. So n plus 1 upon 4, 3. So 3 when we divide 7.5 and we have to take the average of the 7th and 8th item. So we get Q3. Okay. Now we have to calculate D4. So D4, so decile divided into 10 parts. So divided by the 10. So D4 is 4 n plus 1 upon 10. So 4 10 upon 10 यानी कि 4 multiply 1 यानी 4. Fourth item is 4. So this is your decile. So D4 is 4. Okay student. Now we are going to calculate P60. So P60 यानी 60 n plus 1 upon 100. So it is 60 10 upon 100 यानी कि 60 multiplied by 0.1, so 6 item is what? 8. So P60 become 8. This is your P60. Okay student. Now next is P90. So it is 90 n plus 1 upon 100. Okay, so it is 90 10 upon 100. So it is 90 multiply point 1 यानी कि 9. So size of 9 item is 12. So P90 is equal to 12. So in this way we are going to calculate. Here you can see. Okay student. So thank you for today.